This is the East Street grade crossing located on the IAIS Blue Island Sub in DePue, Illinois. Here we have two CSX style signals, each with incandescent lights and one E-bell. This is overlooking north. Good look here at the southern signal. Lights, we got 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents. Here's the dot tag. Dot number is 603840B. We got a double-sided Safetran base. Side view of the lights with the Safetran Junction Box. We got a Safetran 2000s gate mechanism. And then this looks like it has a NEG gate saver, it looks like. Maybe it's an older one. Alright, this is WCH. Okay, it's a WCH gate saver, but I've never seen one that looked like that before. Back view of the lights. This gate has the older striping with 4-inch RECO incandescents. Here's a back view of the southern signal. Got a relay case in the southeast quadrant. And then there's also an older concrete bungalow. You can see the doors open on it. I looked inside there and that thing's basically all gutted of anything useful. So the crossing is controlled with the smaller relay case. This bungalow might have been like for wayside signals back in the day, but I'm not entirely sure. The grade is all wood. Track you facing west towards Bureau, Atkinson, and eventually the Quad Cities. And track you facing east towards Spring Valley, Peru, LaSalle, and the CSX connection in Utica. So these signals were installed in the late 90s. I believe that one was installed in the late 90s, and then this one was installed in the mid 2000s. Both these signals likely replaced older WRS signals installed by the Rock Island. These were installed by CSX before Iowa Interstate took over this line in 2006. But now, Iowa Interstate is in the process of putting all new signals here. You can see conduit there, and there's one little sticking out there. Iowa Interstate will be installing new WCH signals here sometime, likely this spring. This will get new WCH signals with G uniform look LEDs and WCH gate mechanisms. And then the best part is, this currently has a GS Type 2 E-bell, but Iowa Interstate will likely install a brand new WCH mechanical bell here. So we'll be seeing the transition from E-bell back to mechanical bell here at this crossing, which will be really good to see. Can't wait to see the new signals that get installed here. Here's an overview now looking south. You look here at the northern signal. This also has 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents. This one has a single-sided Safetran base. So again, I think this one's slightly older than the other one. Got a Safetran 2000s gate mechanism with a standard gate mount, no gate saver. Side view lights with a Safetran junction box. And again, up top we have a GS Type 2 E-bell. This is one of several GS Type 2s that are going to get replaced here on this line soon. I think one or two have already been replaced through LaSalle. Back view of the lights. This gate has the older striping upside down, and it's very faded. And it has 4-inch Safetran incandescents. And here's a back view of the southern signal, or northern signal, sorry. So, not sure when they're going to get the new signals in. It'll probably be sometime in the spring. But whenever they get that done, I will be back here to do an update tour. This has been the East Street grade crossing. Rest in peace, CSX signals. And goodbye, E-bell.